What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and today we're gonna unbox the HP gaming keyboard and mouse GK1100. So let's jump right into it. So let's just start cutting this, and yeah. So this is a gaming keyboard. It has the lights and it comes with a keyboard mouse combo. And please start cutting. Why you ain't cutting, dude? Why? It's not cutting at all for some what reason. Come on, mate. Come on, mate. Cut off. Cut. Ah. What kind of paper?
Wait a minute! Who are you?
I mean, like, tape is this made of? Hiya, finally. So yep, we have done the first step of the unboxing, and yeah, let's just do this. Woof, sheesh. Okay, already took time. So yeah, as you see, this is the keyboard. Well, you can't see it right now, I know. And if you want to read the manuals, anyways, who reads the manuals? Bye bye.
Emotional, damn it!
And then yeah, this is like the warranty card, no need. This is the product support, no need once more. And then this one is the, I don't know what the hell is this. Okay, it's like the manuals. Then what was this? It was the product notice. Anyways, no need. So time to go to the real fun part. This is the mouse. Let's first off show off the mouse. Okay, I thought the mouse would be small for my hands, but it is actually good. It's actually fitting my hands, and if you don't know, my hands are big. They are big. So as you see, this is the mouse. Okay, it's a good mouse. It's not bad. Really, it's okay. Yeah, just listen to the click sounds. So those were the click sounds. I'm gonna connect this to my laptop and I'm gonna show you the lights and all. You see, these are RGB LED lights. And so now let's go for the main part. We bought this was for the keyboard. You see, this is the keyboard. This one is the keyboard, and it's the GK1100, and it's a full-size keyboard. It's 100%. As you can see, it has a little bit of extra space for your hands, and these are the number keypads. And yeah, it's a good keyboard. It's quite heavy if you lift it up, and I can make these my dumbbells if I want.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And yeah, it's a good keyboard. You can take a top view. Hey, knife, get out of here.
Emotional, damn it!
Yeah, this is a good keyboard. As you can see, these are the switches. This is the space. Oh, sorry. You can hear to the sounds. The stability is good, and you have the height increasers for this. They're quite long. This one, they are quite big. The length, the normal keyboards which I used to use before this were good. And yeah, this is a good keyboard, and yeah, I liked it. So now let's connect it to our PC and show it off to you guys. And wait, before showing everything, I forgot to tell you guys that this is my birthday gift. Actually, I got it way before my birthday. That's lucky. And yeah, this was my birthday gift, and I'm just gonna enjoy this. And yeah, let's now show you the RGB lights once again. So guys, according to me, the keyboard was really good. The typing experience was good. I used the Fox, jumped over the whatever. I don't remember that now. And yeah, I just typed that right now and I don't remember it. So that's, well, surprising. But the keyboard was actually good. And it's good for people who just started gaming, and me, it's definitely for driving experience. The RGB is good, it's backlit, and like I liked it, and it has good, the sounds are good, and even the keys are not hard to press. They are not hard to press at all. You just put your finger and they will start pressing. That's good. And the mouse is definitely very good. It's better than my old mouse. And yeah, I had the old gaming mouse I had, it's better than that. Anyways, that old gaming mouse spoiled. And yeah, so I like the keyboard and the mouse both. They were really good. Thumbs up to HP for that. And yeah, so I'm just gonna end the video right here. So like, share, and subscribe this video, and not this video, subscribe the channel, of course, and share this to your friends so that they can know if they want to buy this keyboard or not. So see you next time, and bye bye till then, and wait for the other videos.